Now with most internal glass products like mirrors, balustrading, splashbacks, that aggressive type of cleaning isn't required because the glass is reasonably clean throughout most of its life. Now what becomes important here is good quality cleaning rags and a good quality glass cleaner. The glass cleaner that we use in-house is a citrus-based product that we mix ourselves with water. Fantastic product, and one that over many years we've found to be the best product that we could find. When cleaning glass, it's really simple. The same process applies as step one. You simply apply the glass cleaner to the glass generously as you did before, making sure that all of the glass is completely covered and providing some lubrication for the rag once we start to clean it. Now in most cases, myself and our team, we use two different rags. The first rag that we use is just a general tea towel rag that we get from a local supplier. The second rag is what we use, it's called a microfiber cloth. Now this microfiber cloth is fantastic as a finishing cloth and makes it come up with no streaks, no fingerprints, makes an absolutely beautiful job. So this is how you do it. You apply the glass cleaner as I've done. You let it sit for 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, as long as you can, to let it lubricate that glass and slowly start to remove that grit or anything that's left on there. From there, you take your initial cleaning rag, the very first one, and you simply start wiping it across, making sure that all components of the glass are completely cleaned. No spots are missed. Now you'll find, depending on how much glass cleaner you've applied, there's still moisture on the glass using these rags. They're not the best at sucking up all of the moisture, but they're great at getting a majority of the cleaning done. We work our way across all of the glass until we've cleaned up a majority of the residue. And this is where the secret trick comes in. You take your brand new microfiber cloth that's dry and you finish it off with this cloth. You take all the remaining residue off the glass and you're essentially buffing it back. You start at the top in a circular motion, doing exactly the same thing. You work your way all the way to the bottom. This removes all of the excess residue that's been left over by the previous rag and will ensure that this glass is completely clean and spick and span. Now that, ladies and gentlemen, is how the glaziers clean our glass products. If you've got any questions, feel free to hit the button below. Let me know in the comments. I'll be sure to get back to you and answer any questions that you may have. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day.